I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today at this wonderful Open NAP 21 event is Fardin from Sky Express Iran. Fardin, thanks so much for being here today.
You're welcome.
Now, can you tell me a bit about your company?
Yes, actually we are NAP member. Okay, our company name is Sky Express. We are in courier and cargo field in Iran. Our main office is in Tehran, capital of the Iran. But we have branches in most of the city of the Iran that we can provide clearance and delivery services for whole of the Iran.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's so exciting to be here at an event face to face again. How are you feeling about being here?
Also, I have very exciting about this conference. Okay, we are trying to find more partner and expand our services for our partners from whole of the world, and we are too much happy that we are here.
Excellent. It's lovely to see you here.
Yeah, thank you.
Have there been any challenges for you during COVID?
For COVID, actually, the main challenge of our business is that before COVID, we have too much flights from different countries to Iran. Okay, and easily we could move the shipments from whole of the world to Iran. But now, because of the most passenger flights canceled, okay, and we have many delay in our services because we do not have too much flights to Iran, and our agents shipments receiving to Iran by many delay. And COVID make us that our price will be higher than before because of the air freight charge. Now is most expensive than before COVID.
Of course. Yeah. And what are your thoughts on being an NAP member? What are the benefits? The benefit
is that by NAP membership we can introduce our company to most partners in the world. Okay, and we can have a credit from membership side because of the money transferring is our challenge. Okay, by this membership we can have a credit with partner, and we can found more partner whole of the world to can serve the best services for our customers.
Great. Yeah. And have you seen any changes over the years in the air cargo industry? I'm sure there's been lots. Can you tell us?
Yeah, it's too much lot. Okay. Really, now I think it's better for whole of the membership this chance to can know each other and have a face-to-face meeting and to can negotiate about the future.
And what are your thoughts about CCL TV being here at the event?
Actually, we meet your team here. We are happy, and I think it's a chance for us via CCL TV to can introduce our service to the partner and to any people that's seeing this interview.
Well, it's lovely to see you here at the event. Thanks so much for your time, Fardin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.